Hello students, what we are going to do today? We are going to discuss about the election campaign. We have read earlier that the candidates they have filled their nomination, the voter list is ready and the constituencies are reserved. Constituencies are fixed or declared and some constituencies are reserved. We have read all these things and today now this is the time for election campaign. This is the time for election campaign. What is election campaign? Election campaign means the प्रचार प्रसार करना. What is there to create contact with the voters? To create contact with the voters. Let's see what is election campaign. It provides a perspective to the people that whose policies are better. What they are doing, the candidates who filled their nomination, what they are doing, they are telling to the people that their policies are better than the others' policy. Their party's policies are better than the other party's policies, right? So what they are doing, it provides a perspective to the people. It gives an option. It gives an option to the people that to choose from, that whose policies are better, right? This is election campaign. It takes place when it takes place election campaign. It takes place between the announcement of the final list of candidates of the date and the date of polling. What is there? It takes place. It means election campaign takes place. It is of approx 2 weeks. It is of approx 2 weeks. What is there? It takes place announcement of the final list of the candidates. Final list of the candidates means those candidates who gave their name for the candidates, those who file the nomination, and out of that suppose 100 persons file their name, file the nomination form. But what happened? Out of 170 only pass. Pass means they were able to complete the documentation or the conditions of the election commission, right? So what was there? Out of 170 candidates, those who are finally contesting the election after the announcement of the final list and candidate of the candidates and the date of polling, so, right? And from suppose today they have announced the list of the candidates and the date of polling, that on 10th of July 2020 what will be there? Election will be there. What will be there? Election will be there. Then what is there? Then that during that time what is their election campaign is there. During that time what is their election campaign is there. What they can do? What did they do? What they can do at the time of election, or what they are doing? They are creating contacts. Candidates contact their voter. What they are doing? They are coming home to home. They are going home to home and they are joining hands and saying that आपका वोट कीमती है, हमें मतदान करना. Generally they are saying that your vote is so precious, then please cast your vote to us. Please cast your vote with our party, right? They are contacting the vote. Candidates contact their voters and election meetings. What is there? They are conducting meetings. Generally, you have seen that they are setting up tents everywhere, right? And they are conducting the meetings. This general thing I think so you have seen in the 2019 elections, that is Lok Sabha election, and mobilize the support of the voters. Now what they are doing, that they are persuading the people. That cast your vote with our party, to our party. Please cast your vote to our party. They are mobilizing the support of the voter, right? And what they are doing? Simply what they are doing, they are giving some slogans. On the big issue. What they are saying that if our party will come, then we will do that and we will do this. Like this, they are giving some slogans. Successful slogans over big issues. Garibi Hatao was given by Congress in 1971. Save Democracy was given by Janata Party in 1977. Land to the Tillers, it was given by the Left Front of in 1977, and Protect the self-respect of the Telugus. Right, these slogans were given by the political parties at the time of election campaign. Like in 2014 election, what was there? Ab ki baar Modi Sarkar. Right, for BJP. And in 2019 election, what was there? Ab ki baar fir se Modi Sarkar. It was there. Like this, they are giving these slogans at the time of election. These things were that they can do at the time of election. And what they can't do? What they can't do at the time of code of conduct. At the time of code of conduct. What is their code of conduct? Code of conduct means from the date. Suppose today they have announced the election. Today they have announced the date. Today is 13/7/20. Today they have announced the date. Today is the date 13/7/2020. They announced that on 21st or 30/7/2020 elections will be there. When is the day of election? When is the polling day? 30/7/2020. Right. Then during this time, during 30s to 30s. During 13 to 30, what is there? During that time, code of conduct is there. What is there? Code of conduct is there. What is there in that code of conduct? These things are there. What is code of conduct? Code of conduct means the general guidelines that are issued by the election commission that every political party has to follow. That every political party has to follow. What is their code of conduct? No use of worship place for the election purpose. Means like temples, mosques, they cannot use, political parties cannot use for the election campaign propaganda. Right? Means they can't use that place for the election purpose. Next thing, no party can use government vehicles or officials. May suppose this in the present time BJP party is there. All executives will work under the BJP. All executives will work under the BJP. Right. Then what is there? So what is there? Suppose BJP rule is there in the present time. And at the time of election, what is there? All these government officials and the government machinery will work under the election commission. And I asked the question, who is the Chief Election Commissioner of India? So the correct answer is Mr. Sunil Arora. Who is the Chief Election Commissioner? The Chief Election Commissioner is Mr. Sunil Arora. And today's question is, who is the governor of RBI? Who is the governor of RBI? This is your question, you have to answer me. Right. So next thing is there, once elections are announced, ministers shall not lay foundation stones of any project. Means from the date of, suppose this was the date. The day when they announced the election commission has announced the election, from that date to the date of election, they shall not lay any foundation stone. Means कोई भी बड़ी पॉलिसी या किसी भी पॉलिसी को इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं कर सकते. They shall not lay foundation stone of any project. Right? This was there, and many other things are there. Mainly these things are there under the code of conduct. When code of conduct is implemented from the date of the announcement of election to the till date of polling. Till the date of polling. Right? So what is there? Nowadays what is their model code of conduct? Nowadays, what is their model code of conduct? What is there in that model code of conduct? In model code of conduct, ministers can do some work, little work for the welfare of the people. Means what is there in code of conduct? They shall not lay foundation stone of any project, but in model code of conduct they can do some work for the welfare of the people. So this was our election campaign, and our next topic will be the day of election or the voting day. We have discussed that why do we need election? Is election competition good? Is electoral competition good? Constituencies and what was there? Voters list, reserved constituencies, and the election campaign. And our next topic will be, what will be the next topic? The polling day. So till then, revise your chapter thoroughly. Stay home, stay safe, be happy.